range vehicle fully prepped. Looking at wheels up approximately 8:30.
Should we go?
Yeah, let's try to drive on.
Wow, it's gonna be sunny day.
You have your sunglasses. Do you?
Actually, good point. Hey, Wolford! Wolford!
Our reception is going to be bad for most of Big Sur. What are those coordinates?
Then 9 past the tunnel.
Sunless Bespoke, 230 miles out. The chase truck needs gas.
When did I book my watch?
0.
Hey guys, good work today. Data looks really good on the first 400 miles. Let's see if we can repeat over 400 tomorrow. Good luck.
Let's take a surface street loop through Hollywood and Beverly Hills, then it's on our way home. Peter will be meeting us at 3 Crosses in VIN 10.
This is going to be great. It's close to 1,000 miles in one trip now.